If you're facing this issue that when you try to pair your AirPods with your iPhone, you will see this error which says connection failed with a red exclamation mark. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to your home screen and press the side button on your iPhone to turn it off. After you do that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. Now after that, just turn on your iPhone and pair your AirPods back with your iPhone and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then this can also happen when your AirPods charging case is low on charge. Just plug in your AirPods into charge until the charge reaches to 100%. Then check if your issue is fixed or not. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Now just place your AirPods aside. Now on your iPhone, just go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. Now over here, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. Now on this page, you will find the option Forget this device. Just tap on Forget device, then select Forget device. And after you do that, now on your AirPods, just open the lid, then double tap 3 times on this LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first time, this is the second time, and this is the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now, if you're using an AirPods Pro or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, now to factory reset that type of AirPods, just open the lid, then press and hold on the button at the back of the AirPods. Now just do that until this LED turns into orange, then from orange into white. And once you do that, you will complete the factory reset process of your AirPods. Now the next step is just close the lid of your AirPods and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. After the force restart process is completed, then just open the lid of your AirPods and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And once the pairing process is completed, you will fix the connection failed issue on your AirPods. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.